Let's say kandai kasin ka baning kong baka Samla na Shillong kan yo ban phong yak pangsian Miss India Global. Kane ka Samla kadai ka bertip kerteng kung ka Gargee Nandy kadai ka basyong basa halaban. Bat kum kaji itu nang ta ka burom baklayo nakalian ka dorbas nong laban rengkat berkasengan thai laban lem berkaseng Samla laban kila penlong ya kajimpen ku burom ya ka hene ka sngi baar asam klon.
Welcome all of you and a big welcome to all of you.
Lak berkedeu hangne bakati ka Samla kala job ya ketika jinge kop thai babriu kabala penlong dekat talentika haka jalagawa ha ubnain opera arjar arto.
Everybody has supported me so much. This crown, this is just not my victory. This crown belongs to Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya. I want to specially thank Ralph, Mr. Rabor. I wouldn't be here today without him. This is no deny. Thank you so much for supporting me throughout. I'm really falling short of words because this is it's one of the most important and one of the best day of my life. One thing I want to share with everybody, when I was there at Talentica, one of the judges asked me, tell us about your state or tell us about how your parents supported you and tell us what all obstacles you had to face as a woman. And then I realized I had nothing much to say because I feel so proud and privileged to be born and brought up in a matriarchy society. I would also like to thank Mr. Shillong for supporting me throughout. I would like to thank my sponsors. It's a long list, long list. Mr. Ban, I would like to thank Club Tao who will be sponsoring everything when I represent India at the bigger platforms at international pageants. I would like to thank the Posh family, my friends who are here today. I love you guys so much. And whatever I am today, it is just because of everybody, all the people from Shillong. So this crown belongs to you people. Thank you so much.